So, what do you think is this picture? This picture is none other than COVID 19. So, in this video, we are going to discuss about COVID 19 new vaccine in India. Day by day, number of new cases are rising in India. So, what we do to keep ourselves safe? We need to get vaccinated. Already, India has two vaccines. One is Covaxin and one is Covishield. Covaxin manufactured by Bharat Biotech and Covishield manufactured by Serum Institute of India. So what is the third vaccine? Sputnik will be India's third COVID-19 vaccine. Covaxin was India's first vaccine developed by Bharat Biotech and Covishield is manufactured by Oxford AstraZeneca, manufactured by Serum Institute of Pune. So the third vaccine coming to India is none other than Sputnik V. India to produce 850 million doses of Sputnik V. India will be the leading production hub for Sputnik V. Russian Direct Investment Fund has agreements with India's Gland Pharma, Biopharma and Stelis Biopharma. So you know what? Which is the first registered vaccine in the world? It is none other than Sputnik V in 2020.
So, Sputnik V works on the principle of two-vector vaccine. A vector is a virus that lacks a gene responsible for the reproduction. So, whenever you get your first vaccination done, this vector produces a S protein which gets into the cell and is responsible for the production of immunity. So, when you get the second vaccination done, this vaccine based on the another adenovirus vector unknown to the body boosts the immune response and produce immunity. The efficacy of Sputnik V against COVID-19 was reported to be 91.6%, that is close to 92%. This figure is based on the analysis of 19,000 volunteers who received both the first and the second doses of Sputnik V. So what do you think can be the indication of Sputnik V? It is indicated to build immunity against SARS-CoV-2. It is available in dry form. Its storage temperature is +2 to -8 degrees Celsius. It is avoided in pregnant and lactating women, and it should be given caution to individuals who have thrombocytopenia or any coagulation disorder because bruises may be caused to the patient. So what about the side effects of Sputnik V? On April 14, 2021, the Russian Institute announced a comprehensive analysis of adverse events during the clinical trials that showed no cases of cerebral venous sinus thrombosis. So there is a possibility of the launch of single-dose COVID vaccine Sputnik Light in India. So what are the ingredients that is present in Sputnik V? It has a modified replication defective adenovirus, aminomethane, sodium chloride, sucrose, magnesium chloride, disodium EDTA, polysorbate AD, ethanol and water. So what is the cost of the Sputnik V vaccine? Its maximum retail price is $995 per dose. But Dr. Reddy's senior leadership said that it would be supplied at the same price, $948 plus 5%. It is being administered by Apollo hospitals in the second week of June. That's very soon. The latest news of Sputnik V is that the Sputnik V was launched in India on May 1st. The local media reported Snowman's Logistics high-capacity temperature control warehouses in Mumbai, LA, Delhi, Calcutta, Chennai and Bangalore into a partnership with Dr. Reddy's to deliver Sputnik vaccine across the India. So today, Serum Institute applies to drug control to manufacture COVID vaccine Sputnik V. So Sputnik V has 2 doses which need to be administered. Another is Sputnik Light vaccine, which is a single dose vaccine that is going to come to India very soon. It is first combinant human adenovirus 26 serotype of the Sputnik vaccine. So please get vaccinated and save lives. Even if you get vaccinated, you need to wash your hands often with soap and water. You need to maintain a distance of social distancing. You need to wear a mask and do not touch your eyes, nose and mouth, and stay safe at home. Don't go out other than anything for the essential items you need. Thank you for watching my video. I hope that you have understood the concept about Sputnik V vaccine. If you have any doubts, please feel free to ask. Please like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for more updates. Hope you and your family are doing safe.